I'm stuck inside my head and I can't fight it. These walls are caving in and I can't hide it. I try to trick myself and think that this is who I am, but deep inside I know that I just keep on lying. Oh, I don't wanna be the one who's stuck inside this chase. This gravity is pulling me down. I want it bad, 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 bad. I'm stuck in all the sad, 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 sad feeling. And now you know that the feeling won't go away. Can't kill the demons that try to stay, but I'll fight it my way. I'm bad. Never good enough is all I'm thinking. I feel the water rise and I keep sinking.
Okay, so we got the transmission apart. I'll give you a quick rundown of basically what happened. So a while back, I broke the input shaft on this thing. And I had a hell of a time getting a new one because it's a 297 first gear ratio, and apparently they don't make parts for this T-56 anymore. Or they're really hard to find the parts for them. So I found one, I put it in, this guy right here. And then while I was in there, I replaced the 1 and 2 synchronizer and then the 3 and 4 synchronizer. But when I was in there, I didn't realize how bad the engagement teeth are on the gears themselves. Like if you look at this one, pretty rounded out. There's some of them that are just like totally broken off and just nubbed flat. So I tracked down some new gears. Well, they're new to me, but they're lightly used. And the engagement teeth on them are way better than what's in there now. It's not perfect, but it's gonna work. It's the best I can do because I can't find any of these gears brand new. So I figured while I'm in there replacing that, after I just replaced all these, I'm going to put in some new blocker rings and some new frictions for the synchros, just to make sure everything's good so I don't have to open this thing up again. Okay, so now we got the new blocker rings and the new cones, which are in here. Now all we gotta do is put this bad boy back together and hope everything works right. Those old ones. These no more. The old gear. Out with the old, in with the new.
Stuck inside this chase, this gravity is pulling me down. I want it bad, 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 bad. I'm stuck in all the sad, 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 sad feeling. And now you know that the feeling won't go away. Can't kill the demons that try to stay, but I'll fight it my way. I'm bad. Don't I hear what you have to say to me? Don't give a damn what you see is wrong in me. Don't wanna hear what you have to say to me. Don't wanna hear I already know. Don't give a damn what you see is wrong in me. Wrong in me, wrong in me.
So I got the transmission all put back together. We threw it back in the car. Then I went to go take it around the block, and then I realized I didn't put the hood pins in it. So the hood flew up, bashed into the windshield, and then did this. But luckily I was able to get insurance to cover everything, so they replaced the windshield, They fixed what they could on the hood. The only thing is, after the repair, the paint started to bubble. And it split right here. It's doing the same thing on the other side, so I gotta contact the body shop, have them do something about that, or see what we can even do about it. But we got the slicks and skinnies on it. We're gonna take it to the track and see what it can do.